the Fearless truck here, and things went a little wild today in the freestyle, and I hit a jump, forgot the water hose on the other side, so I pinned it through it and hit the big bank on the other side, and well, this is the aftermath. Stumbled a few times, and hopefully nothing we can't fix.
Yeah, team hard.
You got to be careful what you call your truck when you build it. You might have to live up to it.
Okay, now where you're coming up to, turn right. See where the flags are?
Damn, I don't even know what happened.
What do you do?
Something, you can't even tell.
Fucking endo it or? Fuck, you must have rolled it good. Got on top of it. You must have hit that water.
It's a 632 Dart block heads, and he's running a 671 blower. And it, on the dyno, it made, before some improvements, it made 980 horse and 990 foot-pounds of torque at like 4,500 RPM.
Wow.
And that's only at 3 pounds of boost.
So that's just.
Oh yeah. So the truck weighs just under 6,000 pounds. So power to weight is nuts. But that's the cool thing about him. I mean, he built that whole thing, in the garage. I mean, those are his shocks. He built the shocks that are on that truck.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, all from, lathe and a Bridgeport. He built everything. Yeah, it's motor 632 big block, 2 1/4 inch header tubes, 5-inch collectors, just under, right around 1,000 horse, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, 2.8 pounds of boost. So pump it up to probably about 8-12 pounds of boost, we'd be looking at 1,500 horse.
Wow.
So 96 mile an hour wheel speed. And he was moving today when it went over.
Oh yeah.